Lovelies, welcome to my channel. In the world of skincare, where a multitude of products promise radiant and healthy skin, sometimes the best solutions can be found right in your kitchen. Curd, also known as yogurt, is not only a delicious and nutritious dairy product but also a versatile ingredient that can work wonders for your skin. Packed with lactic acid, probiotics, vitamins, and minerals, curd can be the secret to achieving a natural glow. In this video, we will explore a variety of DIY curd face masks that can rejuvenate your skin and give you that coveted healthy radiance. 1. Curd and turmeric face mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons curd, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Instructions: in a bowl, mix the curd and turmeric powder until you have a smooth paste. Apply the mixture evenly to your cleansed face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Leave the mask on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Gently rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Benefits: turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce redness and irritation. Curd moisturizes and exfoliates, promoting a radiant complexion. The combination can help fade dark spots and improve overall skin tone. 2. Curd and honey hydrating mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons curd, 1 tablespoon honey. Instructions: mix the curd and honey in a bowl until well combined. Apply the mixture to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Let the mask sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with cool water and pat your skin dry. Benefits: honey provides hydration and acts as a natural humectant. Curd exfoliates gently and promotes moisture retention, leaving your skin soft and supple. This mask is excellent for boosting skin's elasticity and radiance. 3. Curd and aloe vera soothing mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons curd, 1 tablespoon fresh aloe vera gel. Instructions: blend the curd and aloe vera gel until you have a consistent mixture. Apply the mask to your face and neck, avoiding the eyes. Allow it to sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash off the mask with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Benefits: aloe vera soothes and calms irritated skin, making it great for sensitive skin types. Curd's lactic acid gently exfoliates while providing a dose of hydration. This mask is perfect for addressing sunburn, acne, and inflammation. 4. Curd and oatmeal exfoliating mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons curd, 1 tablespoon finely ground oatmeal. Instructions: mix the curd and oatmeal in a bowl to create a paste. Apply the mixture to your face and neck, massaging gently in circular motions. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water and pat your skin dry. Benefits: oatmeal acts as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and promoting a smoother texture. Curd moisturizes and nourishes the skin while aiding in the exfoliation process. This mask is ideal for achieving a brighter complexion and improving skin tone. 5. Curd and cucumber cooling mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons curd, 2 tablespoons cucumber juice. Grate a cucumber and squeeze out the juice. Instructions: mix the curd and cucumber juice thoroughly. Apply the mixture to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Relax for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with cool water and pat your skin dry. Benefits: cucumber's cooling properties reduce puffiness and soothe irritated skin. Curd provides gentle exfoliation and moisturization, contributing to a rejuvenated complexion. This mask is particularly refreshing on hot days and can help combat inflammation. Conclusion: DIY curd face masks offer a natural and effective way to revitalize your skin. With the goodness of curd combined with various natural ingredients, you can tailor these masks to your specific skin needs, whether it's hydration, exfoliation, brightening, or soothing. These masks not only provide visible benefits but also allow you to embrace a wholesome approach to skincare by avoiding harsh chemicals and synthetic additives. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare, so incorporating these masks into your routine regularly can lead to a healthier, more radiant complexion over time. If you like my video, then subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.